again. I seek the best of my taxi again. 360. That good happening. We run better bitches back again. Oh. Huh? Hey, baby, say something. Oh.
R.I.P. to the competition.
Funeral. Yeah. I got him. Shout out to my enemies. Shout out my competitors. Shout out to my mini-me's. I hope you do better, bro. Better me.
Hey you guys, I'm back at it again with another hair video. This time with my lovely daughter Sanaya. Say hi to the people. Hey. So I'm going to give her some passion twists, but I'm going to do individual crochets. But I'm probably going to comb braid it in the middle to make it quicker. So this is the hair that I'm using. What the?
Yeah.
Anyway, this is the hair that I'm using. Nola Tress. I got it from my local beauty supply store. Oh, this light is bright. I got 4 packs. Hopefully we can make 4 packs work. So now we're going to begin. Thank you to all the people that are watching my videos, all the new people that's watching for the first time. You know what to do. Subscribe. You know that button is where? Over here, right? Yeah, it's over here. So it takes like literally 2 seconds. So just click that bell while you're watching. So now we can begin.
Let me close them out with this. 1, 2, 3.
So we are done with her braid pattern. I did individuals. I did individuals in the front, like the front and the side, and then in the back, what I did, turn around, I corn braided the middle part, make sure they can see, and I did individuals on the bottom half. I did it like this because it's a little bit quicker, and also when she want to take it a loose, it won't take as long, because the last time when I did everything individual, it took forever to take a loose. So now we're going to show you how I install these twists.
Mommy, ready for new one, the transition?
No, don't need it. Okay, I did one already. You know what? I'm gonna do it on the side so they can see. I'm gonna do it at the front one. Girl. So you take your twist. You know, basic crochet. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Crochet needle. Can you be still, please? This is what I gotta go through when I do her hair. So you're gonna put the crochet needle under the braid. Oh yeah, I also use rubber bands so it can hold better. And you're gonna put it through. Basically a basic crochet, right? Hopefully you guys can see. I'm gonna try to make y'all see what I'm doing as best way as I can. So the big hole, you put the end of this braid in the hole and you pull it, right? This is a leave out. Just pull it, hold it to get it out the way. Okay, my bad. So once it's secured, now we're going to take her real hair, section off into 2. We're going to twist her real hair inside of this braid. So we're going to loosen it just a bit. You don't got to do it all the way down. See how I loosened it a little bit. You're going to take some type of edge control or jug.
Whatever.
Put it on her real so it can hold. And you're basically going to twist her hair into it. So start twisting. Twist like a normal twist. Nice. They gotta see me twisting the hair. And I'm twisting and twisting. And twist like a little bit past her real hair so it can be nice and sealed in. So it won't come loose. And the remainder I just twist it back. See? You can't even tell the difference. So while I'm at it, while I'm at it, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna crochet it in the middle where the corn braids are. It's just a basic, easy crochet.
I said, will you be here? Will you and the mom be here while I watch Jada or no?
She already fucked up. You can say it now. They can't see you, girl. You see what I go through trying to do videos? This is why I'm not consistent. This one's talking. This one's here like, I can't talk. Excuse my French. I know I shouldn't be cussing around the child. But this is what I go through. But we're gonna come back and you're gonna see the finished results.
Wait for the transition.
You in this transition, girl. I'm gonna cut it. No.
Poppin', yeah. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. I'm trying to look cute like this in this angle. You got it, girl. You got it. You only want to try to make what's picking out shoes, yeah. I can't sing. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, you scared me. And I know y'all from North Star. Y'all see me. I don't know. I'm showing off, y'all. But yeah. And y'all, if y'all haven't, oh sorry, y'all. But if y'all haven't, make sure that y'all subscribe, ring that bell, and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to me too. Yeah, subscribe to mom too. I'm not gonna make the video.
You about to go to school like this?
I'm not even moving.
You trying to make a monster with you? You trying to do all this? Ta-da! There you have it. This is the final look. And it didn't take a long time to do. I'm in love with it. It looks so cute.
Y'all, okay, it's about time. I'm show y'all my dance moves since she done.
But I gotta show them, like, you know, the different things I could do with it. I could put it to the side if I wanted to.
Oh, I like this.
You say you like the side?
No.
Well, I'm showing tonight.
I know.
You don't have to stay.
I know. I feel it in the middle.
I think it's cute on the side too. It's really cute.
Can I get to it?
And since I did individuals in the back, I could put it up into a ponytail. You might as well stand up, girl, because you're done anyway. But I'm gonna show you the
Oh,
back.
my Apple Watch fell.
Turn around.
Yes, honey.
So I can definitely put it in a ponytail with no problem. And I won't look all crazy. This is so cute. So, like, I'm not done.
Oh, sorry, y'all. I'm ready for y'all to see
So,
my
I guess you want to do the finishing intro?
Yeah, hold on. Hold on.
Okay, I guess I don't have to say it. Thank you for watching. All my new subscribers, thank you for sticking around and subscribing. Also, new people that's watching my video for the first time, you can hit that subscribe and that notification bell. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at XOXO_mochaccino. And again, thank you. Yeah, they can still hear me when they do that. Again, thank you and bye.
Peace out, y'all.